You should always avoid that mistake, or you can severely practically destroy your vehicle or hit somebody. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be any BMW model. We'll explain about one big mistake people always make, or 9 out of 10 people will make when replacing brake pads. Inexperienced people I'm talking about, and if you guys do that, you can severely destroy your car. You can wreck it, you can hit somebody, you can smash somebody. How we know about that? We actually wrecked one of our vehicles when we were young that way, so we want to share with you what not to do and how to avoid that problem, because guys, it could be really dangerous. You will get in your car, you will start it, you will put it in reverse or drive, and you're going to press the brake pedal to stop. No brakes the first 3, 4, 5, even could be more times you hit the brake pedal. Stay with us and we'll explain how to avoid that now. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. So what we have here, BMW X4 that we'll demonstrate on. We just put new brake pads. If you're guys replacing brake pads, disc rotors, anything like that, let's talk about that now. Every time you remove the brakes or replace brake pads, disc rotor, you know, the new components will be thicker, and as a result, what will guys happen now? When they're thicker guys, you need to compress the piston in the caliper. And when you compress the piston guys, okay, later when you install it, you still have some play between the, you can see between the pads, okay, and the disc rotor. So when you apply the brake the first few times, it will not work. See how we're turning the wheel now? We'll go inside. Let's demonstrate now. We're going to press the brake pedal. Simulate that you just started your car and you press the brakes. Hold it all the way down. One time, down. Check this thing now. Don't let go. And if I come here, we will have no brakes. I'm still spinning the wheel, right? Okay, no brakes. Now, what you need to do in order to have your brakes work correctly, always do that before you put your wheel on. Go ahead and pump that pedal at least 10-20 times. You will start feeling it when it's engaging, and always have one person hold the brake pedal and you go and test the brakes. Hold, let go. Okay, hold, and stops. Now we have no play in the pad, so that definitely guys took care of it. So always do that before we put the wheels on, because otherwise you can forget. That's what we did in the past a long time ago. We forgot to put guys, actually we put the wheels on, we forgot to pump the brake pedal, and the brakes didn't work the first few times. We hit them and we went through a fence. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.